This is the Daily Note from jamesabrown.net. A volunteer at a museum in Taiwan spotted what looked like a filthy mirror and did what many of us would do. They grabbed some toilet paper and wiped it clean. So what's the problem? That grime was apparently art. It's called Inverted Syntax 16. It's 40 years of accumulated dust on a mirror with a delivered smudge that apparently represents middle-class consciousness, or whatever that means. But I'm left wondering, what made it art in the first place? Because someone said so? Because it's in a gallery? Because there's a card next to it explaining what you're supposed to see? Strangely enough, yes. Someone decides, and the rest of us either nod and smile and appreciate, or not. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always, be well.